The next rule is the zero exponent rule. The zero exponent rule is just saying when 0 is an exponent, it is to the first, equals 1. So I could have 1,000,000 to the 0 power, and it's still just going to be 1. Here it's showing you explain why. So 8 squared is really just 8 times 8. 8 squared on the bottom is 8 times 8. So if you look at that, the 8s would cancel. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And that is just 1 times 1, which equals 1. So no matter what, it's always going to go down to 1. Here, if you could also look at it in terms of the division property, which we just looked at on the last slide, which would say 2 minus 2, which is 0. 8 to the 0, as you know, is, as we just discussed, 1. Again, when you saw this in dividing, when we were factoring out the GCFs, anytime you have the numerator the same as the denominator, they just cancel. Basically, those are all different ways of looking at how anything to the 0 power is 1. So this looks very complicated because I'm giving you plus inside the parentheses, a negative, 2 terms, and then I'm asking you to find what to the 0 power is. No matter how complicated it looks, it's only to the 0 power. Therefore, it is just equal to 1. Here, 0, x to the 0, there's not parentheses on here. So the 8 has to stay. X to the 0 is 1. This is PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Says we do our exponent first. X to the 0 is 1. Then multiply. Then add. So that would be 8 times 1 plus 5. So that is 8 plus 5, which gives you 13. So that is the zero property rule. I don't think we really need any practice with that, so I'm just going to include this as our slide for now. To save time, I'm going to start another video for the negative exponent. Then you can always refer back to this Nearpod slide for any of these rules that you might want to see over again. But hopefully you are writing these in your notebooks as we go. Thank you.